in those brief 2 years which I associated with him, that is a person who dedicated his life for the state, for the reason to ensure that each and every one of us will have a better future. We understand the initiative that he has taken in a brief period as an honorable member of parliament, in which we will remember for what he has done. Sir, on this note, I would like to express once again my deepest condolences to the family member, to the constituent of One Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, and I hope that the good deeds that he has done while he had the privilege to serve the state, God will be always by his side. And whatever he has done while he was in this earth, I hope that he will be there in the heart of each and every one. As the Bible says in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 25, verse 21, his Lord said to him, "Well done, good and faithful servant. You were faithful over a few things. I will make you ruler over many things. Enter into the joy of your Lord." In Khasi, allow me, sir, it says, "Tiu kanrat jong u la ong ha u, bahame u shakri ba bha bat bangay. Melaminat ha ba khandian. Ngan bu eme halor ki ba bun. Tukile chapo ba Jingkren u kanrat jong me." I hope that God will be with him, and the services that he has rendered, the legacy that is left behind, will be remembered forever. With this few words, I thank you, sir. Thank you.